See, confidence is one of those things that you can't fake it till you make it. So even though you might not feel confident, you sure as hell can look confident on the outside by avoiding the things that confident men would never do. Let's hop into this. 1. A confident man never avoids eye contact. See, when you are sure of yourself, sure in what you're saying, sure in how you look, sure in how you feel, you have no reason why to avoid another person's eyes. See, when you're in a conversation, this is normal. This is how you should have a conversation with somebody. What you shouldn't be doing is avoiding eye contact all the time because you feel insecure. There's nothing to feel insecure about. So even though you feel insecure, I want you to practice that eye contact so you always look more confident. 2. Confident men never wear sloppy clothes. It's a standard across the board. See, confident men are sure of themselves. And usually, your perception of yourself has a direct correlation into how much you invest in yourself. In other words, when you prize something, right, like let's say you bought yourself a Ferrari, you're going to spend all your time polishing that Ferrari, taking care of that Ferrari, making sure that Ferrari's in a garage. So when your self-perception is high, you will spend most of your time taking care of your body, going to the gym, eating the right stuff, putting on the right clothes, knowing that they send a specific message. 3. A confident man never allows insecurities to stop him. And let me correct myself. I'm not saying confident men don't have insecurities. Every person that walks on this planet has an insecurity, one or another. The difference is that confident men are problem solvers. So if you see an insecurity that you don't like, instead of just allowing it to stop you and lower your confidence, try to figure out how you can fix it. I'll give you a great example. A lot of men are insecure about their hair loss. A lot of men are insecure about their height. A lot of men are insecure about their weight. See, there's so many insecurities that men deal with, and almost all of those have a solution. Take hair loss. With our sponsor, Keeps, hair loss pretty much, it should be non-existent, bro. Keeps is revolutionizing the way men treat hair loss. Yeah, your dad and your grandpa, yeah, they might have had an excuse, right? Because you had to make an appointment with the doctor. Then you had to go for that visit. Then you had to sit in a waiting room. Then you had to go pick up the meds. Like, it was a whole hassle. Most men at that time, they would have rather just lost their hair. You, on the other hand, you can take action. Look, 2 in 3 men are going to experience hair loss by the time they hit their 30s. This is a fact. Meaning that most of you watching this will probably deal with some insecurities about your hair loss. The difference is most of you watching can become problem solvers. You can take action. See, as soon as you see hair loss, that's when you should be clicking that link down below and going to keeps.com/TMF. Because the sooner you start at fighting hair loss, the more hair you can keep and the faster you can stop hair loss in its tracks. And see, with Keeps, it's simple. From the comfort of your home, you can speak to a physician that's going to look at your case, and then they're going to prescribe you the medication you need. Keeps has the only 2 FDA-approved medications that have been proven scientifically to help stop and in some cases even regrow some of that lost hair. And the amazing part is, these prescriptions get shipped right to your door. You don't have to go to a pharmacy to pick them up, and you can do everything from the comfort of your home. Boys, if you guys want to check out Keeps and take action, and again, don't keep this secret to yourself, bro. Help your brother out, help your friend out, help your cousin, your uncle, your dad, anybody in your family that's dealing with this insecurity. This is the best solution. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. 4. A confident man never undervalues his time. Let me ask you a quick question. If I were to tell you right now that I'd give you $1 million, would you say yes or no? All right, that's stupid, right? All of you are saying yes. What if I told you I'll give you $1 million, but you have a 50% chance of waking up tomorrow? Okay, now maybe only 30% said yes. What if I told you I'll give you $1 million, but there's a 90% chance you're not waking up tomorrow? Most of you are now saying no. See, when you put that into perspective, that's like you saying that your days are worth millions, because that's what life is worth. Your time is invaluable. That is that one resource that you can never replenish. See, you can lose all your money and then you can remake it again. You can always make more money. You can never make more time. So a confident man understands that his time is valuable. You're not just giving away your time to everybody. It's precious time that you only share with those that deserve it. 5, a confident man doesn't bring other people down. See, too many guys with insecurities, what they'll do is that they'll beat their chest to make another person feel less than, to make themselves feel more than. That's not a confident man. That's an insecure man. 6, a confident man doesn't have close body language. When you're engaging with people or you're in a social setting, the last thing you need to do is close off. As soon as you close off, you're telling everybody to F off, basically. you're not open for business, you're not open for communication, and most of the times makes you look more insecure, which ultimately rolls us up to number 7. A confident man does not cover his face. See, when you're in a conversation with somebody, don't cover your mouth. This just makes you mumble. It makes it harder for other people to understand, and a lot of times it's a subconscious sign that you're not confident in what you're saying or you're holding something back. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 things confident men never do. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. That's it for your boy. See you next time.